Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about Hyundai Tucson car. Prices for the Hyundai Tucson range between 28.63 rupees lakh and 35.46 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Variants: it can be had in two broad variants, Platinum and Signature. Colors: the Tucson is available in 5 monotones and 2 dual-tone shades, Polar White, Phantom Black, Amazon Gray, Starry Night, Polar White with Phantom Black roof and Fiery Red with Phantom Black roof. Seating capacity: it is offered in a 5-seater configuration. Engine and transmission: the Tucson comes with 2 engine options, a 2-liter diesel, 186 PS/416 Nm, and a 2-liter petrol unit, 156 PS/192 Nm. Both units get a torque converter automatic gearbox, an 8-speed unit with the diesel and a 6-speed with the petrol. The top-end diesel engines can also be had with an all-wheel drivetrain, AWD. Features: Hyundai's flagship SUV is equipped with a 10.25-inch touchscreen display, 10.25-inch driver's display, connected car technology with remote operation, a panoramic sunroof and dual-zone climate control. It also comes with powered, heated and ventilated front seats and wireless phone charging. Safety: it gets 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, hill hold/descent control, all-wheel disc brakes and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. The ADAS tech includes blind spot monitoring and collision avoidance, auto emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, high beam assist and lane keep assist. Rivals: Hyundai Tucson takes on the Jeep Compass, Citroën C5 Aircross, and the Volkswagen Tiguan. Specification of Hyundai Tucson: fuel type diesel. Engine displacement 1997 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Max power 183.72 bhp at 4000 rpm. Max torque 416 Nm at 2000-2750 rpm. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type automatic. Fuel tank capacity 54.0. Body type SUV. Service cost 3,505 rupees. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.